Meaning of hearsay.
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 Hearsay. Hearsay refers to information that is second-hand, meaning that it was not directly observed or experienced by the person conveying the information. It is often used to describe rumors, gossip, or unverified reports. In legal contexts, hearsay evidence is typically not admissible in court because it is considered unreliable and lacks credibility. Hearsay can be a problem in many situations where accurate and trustworthy information is essential, and it is therefore important to verify and corroborate information before relying on it. Overall, hearsay should be approached with caution and skepticism until proven to be true through reliable sources.